Introduction to Stocks, Investing in the Stock Market. Hey there, wealthy youngsters. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into a topic that might sound a bit complicated at first, but I promise we'll break it down into super easy chunks. We're talking about investing in the stock market, a way to potentially grow your money over time. So, grab a notepad and let's get started. Alright, let's tackle this step by step. Imagine a stock as a tiny piece of ownership in a company. When you buy stocks, you become a shareholder, which means you own a little slice of that company. And when that company grows and makes profits, the value of your stocks can increase. That's the basic idea behind investing in stocks. Now, the stock market is like a big marketplace where people buy and sell these stocks. Prices go up and down based on how well people think the company will do in the future. So, when you hear about the stock market going up or down, it's all about these changes in stock prices. Alright, wealthy youngsters, let's dive into these examples so you can grasp these concepts even better. Example 1. Imagine you're crazy about a Canadian tech company's gadgets and apps. You're convinced they're going to keep inventing amazing things, so you decide to buy their stocks. If more and more people across Canada start using their cool products, it could lead to higher demand for the company's stuff. And guess what? When more people want to buy their products, the company could make more money, which might push the stock price up. Example 2. Let's talk about that cafe everyone loves down the street. If they open new branches in different provinces and their specialty maple latte becomes the talk of the town, more Canadians might start visiting those cafes. With more customers coming in, the cafe might make more profits, and that could be great news for their stock prices. Example 3. Now, consider a Canadian energy company. If they're known for producing clean energy and environmental awareness is on the rise, their stocks might get a boost. But if there's a shift towards new energy sources that are different from what they produce, their stock prices could drop because people might worry about their future earnings. Example 4. Imagine you've invested in a Canadian retail company that sells outdoor gear. They announce record-breaking sales this quarter, making headlines all over the country. When other investors hear about this success story, they might think, hey, this company is doing great. Maybe I should get in on this too. This buzz of interest could increase the demand for the company's stocks and potentially lead to higher prices. Example 5. Now, on a more serious note, let's think about a company facing a scandal. Maybe they've been involved in something they shouldn't have been. News spreads like wildfire through social media, and people all over Canada start questioning whether they should still support the company. When trust wavers, it could result in fewer people wanting to buy their products, and as a consequence, their stock prices might take a hit. Alright, wealthy youngsters, let's put your learning to the test with a quick quiz. Question 1. What's a stock? Question 2. What is the stock market? Question 3. How can good news about a company affect its stock price? Question 4. Give an example of something that might cause a company's stock prices to go down. Question 5. Why might someone want to buy stocks in a company? Great job tackling those quiz questions, wealthy youngsters. Take your time to jot down your answers before we reveal the correct ones. Investing might seem tricky, but you're already on your way to mastering it. All right, it's time to unveil the quiz answers, wealthy youngsters. Let's see how well you've grasped these important concepts. Answer 1. A stock is a tiny piece of ownership in a company. Think of a stock as a slice of a company's pie. When you own a stock, you own a small piece of that company, and you get to share in its success and profits. Cool, right? Answer 2. The stock market is a marketplace where people buy and sell stocks. Just like a farmer's market, the stock market is a place where people trade stocks instead of fruits and veggies. It's where buyers and sellers come together to exchange their little pieces of companies. Answer 3. Good news about a company, like huge profits, can attract more investors and potentially increase stock prices. Imagine you have a lemonade stand, and suddenly your lemonade becomes super popular. More people want your lemonade, and they're willing to pay more for it. Similarly, when a company makes big profits, more investors might want to buy its stocks, which can drive the prices up. Answer 4. An example of something that might cause a company's stock prices to go down could be a negative event, like a scandal or a decrease in product demand. Think of it like a movie that gets bad reviews or a toy that no one wants to play with anymore. If a company faces a scandal or people stop buying its products, the company's future might not look as bright, causing the stock prices to drop. Answer 5. Someone might want to buy stocks in a company to become a shareholder and potentially benefit from the company's growth and profits. Imagine you're part of a secret club that helps build tree houses. When the club builds more and more tree houses and people pay to use them, the club makes money. If you're a member of the club, you get a share of that money. Similarly, when you buy stocks in a company, you become a shareholder, and if the company does well, you can get a piece of the profits. You did it, wealthy youngsters! You've shown that you're on your way to becoming savvy about stocks in the stock market. Remember, investing is like planting seeds. You give them time to grow into strong trees.
Great job, wealthy youngsters! We've covered essential information in this video. If you'd like to gain more knowledge on this topic, we recommend some books for you. Please check the description. If you decide to make a purchase, please use the provided link. It will support our channel.
Thank you for joining us today, wealthy youngsters. Keep exploring the world of stocks and investing. And remember, your financial future is in your hands. Keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows, you might just be the next financial genius of Canada. Keep rocking, and I'll catch you in our next adventure together.
If you're ready to start your investment journey, we recommend Wealthsimple. Invest in stocks, crypto, and more all in one app. Low fees, expert management, and crypto options. It's all here. When you sign up, use our referral code for a chance to win between $5 and $3,000. Visit wealthsimple.com to get started.